Hello friends, I'm Anorma Anand. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Next Gen Learning. In my previous video, I had discussed chapter 6 from grade 8 Geography Human Resource. Now we are going to discuss the textual question and answer of the same chapter. So let us start. Human resource. First question, why are people considered as a resource? Human being को resource क्यों बोला जाता है? People are the greatest resource of the nation. All other resources of nature become significant only when people extract its usefulness. It is people with their demands and abilities that turn them into resources. Hence, human resource is the ultimate resource. नेचर सिर्फ हमें रिसोर्स देता है बट उस रिसोर्स को प्रॉपरली यूज करने का काम ह्यूमन बीइंग करता है तो इसलिए ह्यूमन भी एक फाइनल और अल्टीमेट रिसोर्स है. What are the causes for uneven distribution of population in the world? We can divide this in the two categories: geographical factors and social factors. Geographical factors में we can include topography and water. Social factors, social areas and economic factors. Topography: people prefer living on plains rather than mountains and plateaus because these areas are suitable for farming, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विस एक्टिविटीज. लोग प्लेन्स एरिया में रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि प्लेन एरिया में वो लोग फार्मिंग कर सकते हैं. इंडिया में गंगा प्लेन्स बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड रीजन्स है और जबकि माउंटेन्स लाइक हिमालयस एंडीज यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम मिलती है. पानी, ऑफ कोर्स जहाँ पानी ज़्यादा होगा लोग वहाँ रहेंगे क्योंकि इससे उनकी लाइफ जो है इजी हो जाती है. वो ज़्यादा दूर तक पानी लाने के लिए जाना नहीं पड़ता. इसलिए रिवर वैलीज आर हैविंग large number of population and we can say they are densely populated regions also. Social factors include सोशल फैक्टर्स मींस एरिया ऑफ बेटर हाउसिंग, वो जगह जहाँ अच्छे से घर बन सकते हैं, सोसाइटीज है, सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी है, हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज है, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज है, जैसे कि पुणे. सेकेंड इज इकोनॉमिक इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट और वी कैन से आर जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन मिलती है बिकॉज वहाँ लोगों के पास काम है, जहाँ काम है वो लोग वहीं सेटल हो जाते हैं, अपनी फैमिली बनाते हैं एंड दे लिव देयर. The world population has grown very rapidly. Why? World population has not been stable and has increased many-fold due to advancement in science and technology. World population एक जैसी नहीं रहती है. It keeps on changing because of the advancement in science and technology. Science and technology has increased food production and development in healthcare facilities has helped in reducing death rate. Discuss the role of any two factors influencing population change. दो factors बताओ जिससे कि population में हम changes देखें, कभी ज़्यादा कभी कम, कहीं ज़्यादा कहीं कम. Two factors influencing change in population are birth rate and death rate. Birth rate is number of birth per 1,000 people and death rate is number of death per 1,000 people. Birth and death are natural causes of population change. When birth is more than the death rate, it means that the population is increasing and vice versa. The difference between the birth rate and death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. What is meant by population composition? Population composition refers to structure of the population. Composition of the population help us know how many are males and females, which age group they belong to, how educated they are, what type of occupation they are employed in, and what their income levels and health conditions are. An interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is by looking at the population pyramid, also called age-sex pyramid. पॉपुलेशन कंपोजिशन आप पे डिपेंड करता है आपके जेंडर पे, आपके एज ग्रुप पे, आपके एजुकेशन पे, आपके ऑक्यूपेशन पे, और इन सब को स्टडी करने के लिए हमने एक पिरामिड बनाया. पॉपुलेशन कंपोजिशन को स्टडी करने के लिए पिरामिड बनाया है और उसके थ्रू ही हम बता सकते हैं किस कंट्री में कितना रिसोर्स है, किस लेवल का है, एज लेवल, सेक्स लेवल, एजुकेशन लेवल. ठीक है. What are population pyramids? How do they help in understanding population of a country? Graphical representation used to study the composition of a country's population is called population pyramid. It shows the total population divided into various age groups. Percentage of total population subdivided into males and females and number of dependents in a country. When the population of a country has high birth rate and death rate, the population pyramid is broad at base and narrow towards the top. ये ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, इसमें ग्राफ के थ्रू हम बता सकते हैं कि किस कंट्री का पॉपुलेशन कैसा, किस कैटेगरी पे कितना लेवल का है, एज ग्रुप में वो कितना है या जेंडर के लेवल पे वो कितना है. ये बेसिकली बेस पे ब्रॉड होता है और ऊपर जाते 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 नैरो हो जाता है. Pick the correct answer. What does the term population distribution refers to? How the population in a specific area changes over time. The number of people who die in relation to the number of people born in a specified area. The way in which people are spread across a given area. So answer is C. The way in which people are spread across a given area. Which are the three main factors that cause population change? Answer is birth, death and migration. In 1999, the world population reached 1 billion, 3 billion or 6 billion. It's 6 billion. What is the population period? It's a graphical representation of age, sex composition of a population. Now here's the fill in the blanks type. You have to complete the sentence. So I just finish it with the answer. Okay, I am not going to read one word again and again. When people are attracted to an area, it becomes densely populated. Factors that influence this include favorable climate, good supplies of natural resources, and fertile land. So they give you some option. You have to choose the best and you have to fill this paragraph. It's also a small example of filling the blanks. So here we are done. Hope you understood the chapter very well, including the textual question answers also. It's a very simple chapter. We discussed most of the things in our previous videos already. So thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. And you can get the PDF link and the word link of textual question answers in the description box. You can go through it and keep enjoying your learning. Thank you so much.